Noong January 30 po, nag-book po kami ng room sa Blanc Hotel and Resort. So, ito po yung entrance nila and packet po kami sa room namin. So, premier suite po yung pinili namin with free wifi po siya. And meron po silang choice ng paano umakyat. It's either through stairs or through elevator. We chose elevator kasi tamad kami umakyat. Maliit lang yung elevator nila. Good for 2 or 3 people lang siguro. And then, yung first nila hanggang 4th floor. So, here we are sa room namin. So, our room is 212. This is the premier suite. Ayan. So, yung keycard namin, kinuha namin sa baba sa receptionist. So, ibibigay naman nila receptionist bago tayo umakyat. So, ito po yung room. Sobrang laki ng room. I really love the room. And I really wanted na ganito yung room ko soon. So, papagawa namin paparenovate namin. So, this is the CR. Meron po siyang bathtub, may shower. And here is the bed. And pagbukas nyo po ng curtain, ayan, kita nyo po yung pool. So, sa Blanc din yung nasa kabila, yung pool. Yung pool na yan, dyan po nila, may mga events po silang, dyan, ginagawa. Ayan. And here po is yung kalsada. Kitang-kita po yung kalsada pag open niyo po dito. And then may TV na malaki. And there's a mirror din. Ganito kalaki yung room, guys. And meron silang vault na maliit. Then, when you go outside, may parang sala. So, ang ganda ng floor. As you can see, ito yung gusto kong floor. Then, merong couch. Then, may TV ulit. Then, merong CR ulit. So, another CR. So, dalawang CR. So, it's good for siguro like family. No, kasi may CR pa siya. So, that will be it, guys, for my short review with Blanc Hotel and Resort. If you have any suggestions po na mga gusto niyo pong ipa-review ng mga hotel and resorts here in Manila, just comment down below.